Hello guys, welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Today we will discuss about most expected questions for the UPSC Prelims 2020. It based on the dynamic current affairs. Here, whenever we are attempting for any competitive exams, three important things we have to know. First of all, I am following the SPR technique. What is this SPR technique? S for syllabus, P for previous papers, and R for the most important, that is revision. Here we left over with only 1 month. What we have to do for this UPSC Prelims 2020? I will recommend, don't read new things. Don't read new things. Please revise what you have read. మీరు ఏదైతే ప్రీవియస్లో కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ చదివారో అవి మాత్రమే రివైజ్ చేయండి. టుడే we will discuss about most expected questions for UPSC Prelims 2020. They are high yield topics for us. Here I have noted down 4 papers, 4 pamphlets. In that there are like current topics, like Article 370. What are the organizations we have to read? In this video I will explain clearly. Don't skip the video. Please watch the video at the end also. Let's get into our topic. What are the high yield topics? If you see, there is COVID-19 situation. For that, there may be a chances, there may be a questions from this COVID-19 also. What are they? First one, convalescent plasma therapy. ఈ ప్లాస్మా థెరపీ, కన్వాలసెంట్ ప్లాస్మా థెరపీ ఏంటంటే సింపుల్గా, సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ విత్ కరోనా వైరస్. ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైమ్ ఇన్ మై బాడీ ఇట్ విల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ సమ్ యాంటీబాడీస్. ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ఇట్ విల్ మేక్ ప్లాస్మా. ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ప్లాస్మా we will use it to another person who are affected with coronavirus. He can cure with that plasma. That is known as convalescent plasma therapy. Why it is in use? Why? Because Kerala got the approval, or Kerala is trying to get the plasma therapy, convalescent plasma therapy, from the ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research. There may be it is very important topic, that is convalescent plasma therapy. There may be one question on this one. Next one, Arogya Setu app. Why? If you will think like this, whether Arogya Setu app also it will come questions. No. Why? Because there may be a questions on this Arogya Setu app also. Why? Because there are some challenges like privacy issues. There is a official languages, number of official languages are, it's like in Telugu, Malayalam, Kerala, Kannada, Hindi. Some regional languages and official languages are also included in this app. That's why we have to take care of this Arogya Setu app. There is a privacy issue. Suppose we are entering our date of birth, our health conditions, and our name, our emails and mobile numbers, whether it is safe. In that point of view, we have to know that Arogya Setu app. That's why this Arogya Setu app also has the ఈ ఆరోగ్య సేతు యాప్ నుంచి కూడా క్వశ్చన్స్ రావడానికి ఎక్కువగా ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, హైడ్రాక్సీక్లోరోక్విన్. ద థర్డ్ వన్, హైడ్రాక్సీక్లోరోక్విన్. we will call it as a HCQ. There may be some questions also on this drug, that is hydroxychloroquine. Why? Because this drug is a treatment for malaria. ఈ డ్రగ్ని యూజ్ చేసి మనం మలేరియాని క్యూర్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ ఆన్ సమ్ రీసెర్చ్ వీ కెన్ ఆల్సో యూజ్ దిస్ HCQ టు క్యూర్ ద COVID-19 పేషెంట్స్. ఎవరైతే ఇంకా లాస్ట్ స్టేజ్లో ఉంటారు COVID-19 ఎఫెక్ట్ అయ్యి, వీ కెన్ యూజ్ దిస్ డ్రగ్, వీ కెన్ యూజ్ దిస్ హైడ్రాక్సీక్లోరోక్విన్ at the final stage. That's why if you see the current affairs, at the earliest stage our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji put a ban on this exporting this hydroxychloroquine. After 2 to 3 months we exported to US, Brazil and Israel also this hydroxychloroquine. That's why this hydroxychloroquine drug has the chances to come in our exam also. Next one, PM Cares. PM Cares, it is a voluntary fund. We are donating our amount to the PM Cares to support against the COVID-19. We have seen that regarding many news regarding this PM Cares, whether PM Cares comes under RTI Act, that is Right to Information Act. That's why there is a chances of on this PM Cares also there may be one question in UPSC coming UPSC prelims 2020. These are the, or one more thing, or not. It indicates the how COVID-19 cases are increasing day by day. Or not, very very important. There may be a question on this or not also. These are the questions related to COVID-19. Next one, we will see the what are the important organizations we have to look in or we have to revise for this UPSC prelims 2020. The first one, BRICS. What is the abbreviation or what is the meaning of BRICS? Here it is a combination of 5 countries, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Before 2010 it is only BRIC, that means BRIC. Only Brazil, Russia, India, China only. After 2010 South Africa also included. After that we will call it as a BRICS. The first BRIC summit has happened at Russia in 2009. After that, here I will give a one trick to remember the where these places will happen or where these summits will happen. After 6 years, that is 2014, they has followed the sequence, that is BRICS. In 2014 it happened in Brazil. In 2015 it is happened in Russia. 2016 in India. 2017 China and 2007 after that in South Africa. Like that we have to remember. After 2014 it has followed the BRICS, that means it has followed the sequence BRICS. Next one, ADB. What is this ADB? It is a Asian Development Bank. It is a regional cooperation bank also. Here we have to concentrate on, for world there is a World Bank is there. For our Asian countries there is a Asian Development Bank. It is established in 1966. It has the 68 countries. Why we have to concentrate on this ADB, that is Asian Development Bank? Why? Because it has given loan to many countries to fight against this COVID-19. That's why ADB is in news. Next one, OPEC, that is OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. OPEC, very very important. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC. Why? Because due to COVID-19 oil prices also declined, or it's like a one time it is like a negative prices also. Negative price means, suppose I went to petrol pump, I have to give money. When it is in negative condition, that apart from being given by myself, దే హ్యాస్ టు గివెన్, వాళ్ళు మనకి రీపే చేయాలి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను పెట్రోల్ కొట్టించుకోవడానికి వెళ్తే, పెట్రోల్ అక్కడ కనుక మనం ఫిల్ చేసుకోవడానికి వెళ్తే అక్కడ 1 లీటర్ వచ్చేసి సపోజ్ 70 రూపీస్ అయితే, అదే నెగిటివ్ కాంట్రాక్షన్లోకి వెళ్తే -1 రూపీ అయితే దట్ పెట్రోల్ పంప్ పర్సన్స్ విల్ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ మీ 1 రూపీ. దట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఏ నెగిటివ్ కండిషన్. దట్స్ వై దిస్ ఓపీఈసీ ఇన్ యూస్ డ్యూ టు ద ఫాల్ ఆఫ్ ఆయిల్ ప్రైజెస్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ మానిటరీ ఫండ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఏ custodian of financial for all countries. It is like a custodian, International Monetary Fund. Here next one, SET. What is this SET? SET is a computer emergency response team. Computer emergency response team. Here we have seen that there is a leakage of Aadhaar, there is a leakage of Twitter accounts, there is a leakage of our emails and mobile numbers. For that there is a team, that is response team, computer emergency response team, that is located in India. That's why we have to concentrate on this SET also. There may be a question on SET also. Next one, Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Here it is a, after United Nations, it is the second highest organization. That means after United Nations, this has the importance, more importance. That's why we have to concentrate on it. Here there may be one question on like this, whether India is a member of OIC. No, India is not the member of OIC. Here we have to remember one point. In 2019, when Sushma Swaraj is the External Affairs Minister, she has passed away last year. She is the only one guest has invited by United Arab Emirates for the meeting or this organization OIC, that is Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Next one, there is a New Development Bank. Here what is this New Development Bank? New Development Bank is it's a bank by constructed or formed by these BRICS nations. Here the headquarter is in China. Next one, after COVID-19, everyone know that WHO, very very important. There may be one question on this WHO also, that is World Health Organization. It is located in Switzerland. Here US President Donald Trump has halted the funding to this World Health Organization. That's why apart from some reasons also World Health Organization news, that's why we have to concentrate on this World Health Organization. And next one, we have completed organizations. Now we will see the hot topics. There may be some hot topics in our every dynamic current affairs. That is, first one, abolition of Article 370. Here there may be one question also. Here there is a 1 year ceremony, that is a 1 year passed away after abolition of Article 370. Here there is a Public Safety Act also. In that context there is an important concept, that is habeas corpus. Very very important. Here we will call it as a Article 32. It is the heart and soul of the Constitution. That is, in that Article 32, it will tell about the habeas corpus. First of all, what is the meaning of this habeas corpus? It means, suppose I am arrested and kept in some other place. If suppose I used this habeas corpus, that magistrate will order, please show this person, please come forward, please show this person at the magistrate or a judicial system, in front of judicial system. It means whether he is alive or not, please show it to the judicial. That is a very very important concept, that is habeas corpus. Under Article 32 we will call it as a heart and soul of the Constitution. Next one, preventive detention. Here Article 22 will deal about the preventive detention. What is this preventive detention? we have seen that there is a stone pelting on doctors when they went to some places. On that persons, center may issue the preventive detention, that is for only up to 3 months only. If suppose suppose center want to impose a preventive detention on any person on a personal liberty, there may be a chances of only tenure of 3 months only. There is a committee for to reduce that 3 months to 2 months, but not in force. For our exam, we have to remember for only 3 months only. Next one, State Election Commission. Here we have seen that in news regarding AP State Election Commissioner, that is there is a tussle between AP government and this State Election Commissioner, whether that State Election Commissioner is a constitutional body, whether we can reduce the tenure of this State Election Commissioner. Like this, some questions are asked on this whether what are the powers of governors, when we can give the ordinance. Some concepts are included in this State Election Commission. Please revise it. Next one, UAPA regarding Bhima Koregaon. Here, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Here UAPA we deals about, suppose Bhima Koregaon is a place where a statue is there. In that their statue, there some riots happened. Riots happened. That's why UAPA in a news. Next one, Domestic Violence Act 2005. There are some act also important, that is Domestic Violence Act 2005. In that act, they may ask if suppose after COVID-19 cases are increasing, that's why they are supposed to stay in home only. If you see the other side of this COVID-19, there may be a chances of increasing of this domestic violence. That's why Domestic Violence Act 2005 in news. Essentials Commodity Act 1955, very 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 important guys, please remember it, please revise it once again. Why? Because due to COVID-19 this act come into force. Why? Because if suppose this act is not there, there may be a blockage or there may be a black market of sanitizers, face masks and medicine. That's why face masks and sanitizer come under this Essentials Commodity Act 1955. Due to COVID-19 also, there may be a Disaster Management Act 2005. Next one, Epidemic Diseases Act 1897. Here if you see that there is an important one, that is Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Here suppose there is a hawala. Hawala means I am sending my black money, that is unaccounted money, to foreign countries. That thing we will call it as that process we will call it as a Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. These are the hot topics in news. Next one, what are the schemes we have to concentrate on in this one? That is schemes, very very important scheme, MP LADS, Member of Parliament Local Area Development. Why? Because there is a suspension of this MP LADS for 2 years. That means every constitution will give every member of parliament constitution will give the 5 crore to develop that area. That's why this suspension of MP LADS in news. Please remember guys, very very important. Next one, Pradhana Mantri Garib Kalyan Package. Here our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji announced a package, that is we will call it as that package we will call it as a Pradhana Mantri Garib Kalyan package. Here due to COVID-19 there is a one scheme. Apart from COVID-19 also we have to revise this scheme, that is MG Narega, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. That is very very important. If you see that with this act, with this MG Narega, Chhattisgarh is giving the more work. After Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh stood at the second place. Next one, if you come to the economy, there may be some hot words or buzzwords we have to concentrate, and we at the same time we have to revise it. The first one, Fiscal Responsibility Budget Management Act. Next one, fiscal deficit. There is a difference between expenditure and receipts, that we will call it as a fiscal deficit. Next one, revenue deficit. Here primary deficit, and important operation, that is Operation Twist. Here it involves the open market operations. That means selling and buying the government securities, we will call it as a Operation Twist. Next one, TLTRO, that is targeted long term repo operations. Here we know that NPA, moratorium, inflation. Inflation means there may be a chances of prices increasing, price hiking is, we will call it as a inflation. NPA means suppose I have taken any loan in a bank, I am not paying for 90 days, we will call it as a NPA. Moratorium means I have taken a loan, but there may be a extension of that not paying that loan to some extent, we will call it as a moratorium. Here these are the important buzzwords we have to concentrate. These are the high yield topics we have to concentrate. These are the concepts we have to revise it once again for our UPSC Prelims 2020. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye-bye.